Welcome to this brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make money online for free as a teenager. If you're just getting started online, you're thinking to create a successful internet business from the comfort of your home, you want to make money online for free from home using the internet. In this video, step by step, I'm going to reveal the secret of making money online. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please smash the red subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get all my future videos for free. Add this video to your favorites, share this video, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And if you have any kind of questions, leave a comment. I am very active on my comment section and I am always answering questions because I'm here to help you. So let's just dive into this quick video on how to make money online for free. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to google.com, okay, and you want to type in a specific niche. So in this case, I'm just going to type in manifestation, okay? Manifestation. And I'm going to look for a blog, okay? So I'm going to look for something that I could find a blog. So let's just put wealth manifestation, wealth manifestation. Now, you could do this with anything, okay? You could do this with weight loss. You could do this with internet marketing. You could do this with sports. I'm just going to stick to manifestation. By the way, there are so many blogs down here, okay? So you could choose any blog down here, but I have found one blog related to wealth manifestation, and it is this one here, okay? So I'm going to go with this blog here. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the traffic to make sure this is a genuine blog and it is receiving a lot of traffic. So I have an extension on my computer, a Chrome extension called SimilarWeb. So I'm just going to go here and check the traffic, okay? So when I look at the traffic, I could see that there are 591,000 visitors this blog is receiving every single month. Okay, that's a lot of traffic. That shows that this is a genuine blog, genuine website, genuine article. Now, I don't own this blog, so how can I take advantage of all the people and all this traffic? Very, very simple. Make sure you keep watching because I'm going to take you through this whole video step by step on how you could start making money online using free methods, okay, starting today, okay? So I've got my blog. You could do this with weight loss. You could do this with any other networks. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to head over to a network called Clickbank. Okay, now Clickbank is a network where you could promote other people's products and you're going to get paid commission for every sale you get them. Okay, for this method, you don't need a website. You don't need your own blog. You don't need to write articles. You don't need any prior experience. You don't need to create your own product. You don't need to talk to anyone. You don't need to do any phone calling. You don't need to chase anyone. You don't need to convince anyone. Okay. And this is simply as you just log in to your Clickbank account and you choose a product. You get your link, promotional link, and there you go. You just have to drive traffic, which is going to be free traffic because this video is all about free, how to make money online for free. So you're going to drive free traffic and there you go. Once people buy the product, you're going to generate sales, okay? So I'm going to log into my Clickbank account and show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm in my Clickbank account and now I'm going to go to the Clickbank marketplace. Okay, by the way, to join Clickbank is free. You could join Clickbank by going to clickbank.com, create your free account, add your bank details because Clickbank will pay you every 2 weeks straight into your bank account. Once you go to the Clickbank marketplace, you're going to see all these categories. Okay, business, investing, computer, internet, cooking, food, wine, e-business and e-marketing, employment and jobs, health and fitness. You could do this with health and fitness as well. I'm going to do this. I'm just going to choose one of the products from self-help today, okay? So I'm going to look for a good product. Let's see if I could find something self-esteem. See what I could find from here. All right, so I could see a lot of good products down here, but nothing that's motivational. Let's see if I could find something that's motivating. There you go. I just found one good product here, which is called a wealth activator code, and it's this product right down here. Okay, so we're going to promote this product now. Let's see how much commission this product is going to pay us. It's going to pay us $63.71. So it's so simple. What you need to do is you need to click on this promote button. Okay, you need to add your username. This is your nickname that you use to log into your Clickbank account. You're going to click on generate hop link, and Clickbank is going to give you this long link. Okay, what you need to do is you need to drive visitors to this link, and when you drive a visitor and they buy the product, Clickbank is going to pay you a commission. All right, so question is, how do you drive traffic to this page? So keep watching, okay, because in the next few minutes of this video is very, very important. This is where the best part comes of this new trick on how to make money online for free as a teenager. Okay, so how do you get free people to this website? What you need to do is you need to head over to a website called Sniply. All right, just go to this website, Sniply. You could create a free account. You could create an account, register an account with a new email address, or you could create an account with a Facebook. Okay, if you create an account with a Facebook, it's automatically going to pull your profile picture, which is great. Okay, but if you create an account for yourself, make sure you do add a profile picture, because when you add your own profile picture, it builds a trust. Okay, so let me walk you through step by step how to create your link, and then once the link has been created, then I'm going to show you what this means and how you're going to make money using this. Okay, so let's just dive into this. So far, if you're getting so much value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button and clicking the icon bell so you get all my future videos. Okay, so let's just dive into this. Okay, so in this section, you're going to add the URL of the blog that you're going to create a snippet on. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to come back here and paste it in here. Okay, and there you go. It's got a tick box. That means it's acceptable. All right, I'm going to come here. I'm going to put a new call to action, and I'm going to use my name for this. So let's just go here. I'm going to enter the message down here. So I'm going to put something like there you go. Okay, and you could see the reflection right down here. Okay, I'm going to put click here now. That looks great. And in this section, I'm going to put the affiliate link, the promotional link that I just got from Clickbank. So I'm going to paste it in here. Oops, let me just go back to Clickbank. Let me get my promotional link. Copy, come back here, paste it in here, click on continue. Okay, now you could use different themes, different button colors, etc. Okay, these are all pro versions. I'm just going to skip all of this. Okay, you could stick to the free version as well. Okay, I'm going to click on finish CTA, and once I click on that, there you go. I've got my snip link here. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to show you what's going to happen here. If you could remember, the blog was this website here that is getting, okay, according to SimilarWeb, it's getting 591,000 visitors every single month. So I'm going to click copy paste this URL and I'm going to show you what just happens here. Check this out. Check this out. Look at this. Okay, so people are going to come to this blog. All right, it's all about wealth manifestation, how to attract wealth into your life. Okay, and when they read the blog, they're going to see this banner, and most likely they will also click on it. Why? Because A, it's targeted traffic. Okay, it's congruent with the content that you're seeing on this website. Okay, very, very simple. All right, so we've got the banner. When people click on this, they're going to be redirected to your Clickbank affiliate link here. All right, and when they are redirected to this Clickbank affiliate link, guess what happens? If they buy the product, you make a commission. So what we need to do is we need to drive traffic to our link down here. So how do you do that? It's very simple. Just go to Facebook, okay, and go to groups and type in entrepreneur. Okay, you're going to find a couple of groups down here. This group has 81,000 members. This group has 15,000 members. You need to join the group. And when you join a group, you just want to create a quick post. Okay, so if you come to a group like this, okay, I haven't joined a group, so that's why I can't create a post. But when you join a group, you're just going to write a quick post like you're writing on your timeline. So just imagine you was on your timeline here, okay, and you wanted to write something. So you're just going to write something like, are you ready to attract wealth into your life? Okay, okay, and then you're just going to put your link down here, and then it's just going to show the preview. Now the good part about this is that you're not promoting the offer, you are promoting this blog. Okay, so Facebook loves this because you're not promoting affiliate, you're promoting the blog. But when people will click on it, they're going to get so much value, and at the same time, they're going to see this banner right down here. Okay, because it's congruent and it's targeted traffic, when they click this, you're going to generate traffic to your affiliate offer. And when you generate traffic, if they buy, you make a commission. Can you see the power here? All right. You could do this with weight loss offer. So let's just try weight loss offer. Okay. So let's just go back to Clickbank. Okay. Simple. This is so simple. If you want to learn how to make money online and you want to learn how to make money online for free, then this is the easiest way to do it. So let's just go to health and fitness. Okay. And we're going to choose one of the products down here. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go back. Okay, we're going to go back to google.com and we're going to type in weight loss. All right, we're going to choose this, okay, for now. So we're going to choose this. Okay, it's looking quite great. If you read the content, it's all about weight loss. Okay, so let's just verify the traffic. So I'm going to go to SimilarWeb again and see how much traffic this website is getting. So I could see that this website has got 235.22 million visitors a month. That is a lot of traffic. Okay, so it shows that this is a genuine website, genuine blog. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to Clickbank and I'm going to just choose this product here. So first, let's check the product out to make sure that it is something that will be proven to convert. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to, for demonstration purposes, we're just going to promote this product here. Now, this product is going to pay you $153.65 in commissions for a sale that you will generate. This includes the upsells as well. Okay, I'm going to click on the promote button. Okay, I'm going to click on generate hop link. I'm going to copy my link here. I'm going to go to Sniply again, and I'm going to create a brand new link. Okay. So I'm going to click on create snip. All right, and then I'm going to come here. Okay, first of all, let me just put my Clickbank hop link there, and I'm going to come here, copy this URL, put it in here, and it's acceptable. I'm going to click on new call to action. Okay, I'll put my name there. Okay, I'm going to put here something like how I lost 10 pounds in 21 days without dieting. Okay, and then down here I'm gonna put my affiliate link. So I'm gonna come back here, click on promote, get my affiliate link, copy, come here, paste it. Okay, click on continue, finish CTA, and there you go. I'm going to copy my link and we're going to head over to this website and see if it's showing our banner. Okay, and as you could see here, there you go, how I lost 10 pounds in 21 days without dieting. Okay, people are going to read this blog, they're going to like it, they're going to love it, and once they start reading this, they're going to click here, and guess what, they're going to be redirected to your Clickbank offer, and you're going to earn $153.65 in commissions. Now you need to promote this Sniply link. So the best way to do it is just go back to Facebook and type in weight loss. Okay, so you could see this. Extreme Weight Loss is a blog. It's a page actually. It's not a group. We're going to go for groups, okay? Okay, so we're going to go for groups. So you can see 105,000 members, 167,000 members, 28,000 members, 46,000 members, okay? You could join a couple of these blogs and then you could write a quick post saying, hey, if you really want to lose weight, I found a great article about this topic. Visit this link, and you're going to put your call to action as this link here. People are going to visit the link, and guess what? When they visit the link, they're going to find so much value in this article. And when they find value in this article, straight away, they're going to come here. They're going to find a banner like this. They're going to click on it. And guess what? If they buy the product, you make a commission. You could get free traffic using Instagram as well. Okay. So Instagram, if you go on Instagram, there are so many ways to generate traffic. You could get shout outs, or you could pay someone to put your Sniply link into their profile, and there you go. People are going to get so much value from this. If you're going to build your own Instagram, obviously you need to have a lot of followers to generate a lot of traffic. So this is not a quick reach scheme. This is going to take you some time to build those followers, but it's worth your time, because after 1 or 2 years you'll have enough followers to generate traffic on demand. Okay, but in the beginning, if you don't have no followers, then you could like pay a couple of bucks to someone, and they will put that Sniply link straight into their profile, and people are going to find it so helpful because it's just an article. They're not going to see it as a promotional link or as an affiliate link. They're going to find it so much helpful, and when they read the article, they're going to see this banner popping up right down here. When even if they scroll down, it's just there. And when they see this banner, they're going to click the link. They're going to visit the affiliate link. Guess what happens then? Straight away, when someone buys the product, you earn a commission. Okay, so this is how simple it is this is how simple it is to make money online for free as a teenager. If you loved my video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, it will be appreciated. And please don't forget to smash the red subscribe button, click the icon bell so you get all my future videos. Now, if you want to learn Facebook method on how to drive paid traffic using Facebook to offers where you don't have to create a website, you don't need to create blogs and articles, you could just earn commissions by promoting other people's products, then just head over to this website address here, open up a new browser, and you will get a free training where you could register and you could learn exactly how people are making over $1,000 a day from the comfort of their home using the internet and promoting other people's products. In this case, you don't need to create your own website. You don't need to create your own blog. You don't need any prior experience. You don't need any technical skills. You're going to be learning everything from A to Z on how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day from the comfort of your home using the internet. This is a free training. You can register for this free training by going to this website address that you're seeing in the yellow color. Okay, so just open up a new browser, open this yellow color, and you're going to register for this free training. Watch the free training. You're going to get so much value. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video.